Hey guys, and welcome to my first YouTube video. Just so you know, this is my first and only one I've ever made, so it's not exactly spectacular, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm going to have a cute little clip of a bat flying in my neighborhood, which sparked my idea for this project. Also, if I sound like I'm doing ASMR at the beginning, sorry. At the time I had guests over at my house and they were sleeping, so audio isn't perfect. But anyway, I hope you guys like the video, and yeah. Subscribe, like, you know the whole gist, and hope you enjoy. Bye! Alright, it's official. Yesterday was the start of Halloween. It's October the 1st. You're broke. Covey sucks. And you want some outdoor decor. First thing to do, drink up some drinks. So you drink that up. Do that a few more times. That should be good for now. Now that we got that started, grab your black paint. You know you have it if you're like me. On stock, 24/7. Perfect. Now what you're going to do is use that paint that's almost gone and fill one of these bad boys up. Alright, you filled one of these bad boys up. Listen to that swishy. That's right. You're going to swish that bad black paint all over. Make sure it makes that noise. It's all covered. And you're ready for your next step. Next step. After you got that and you filled up a bottle, go to your nearest dollar store and get them car mats. Car mats, you say? That's weird. Why car mats? Well, they're durable, they can handle the weather, and they're sturdy. So, once you get that, you're going to grab some patterns. I already have some pre-made. Oh, what kind of patterns, you say? Well, that's easy. Bats, y'all, because bats are awesome. That's right, we're making outdoor bat buddies. So once you get these patterns that you like, cut them out in your mats. And then, when you're ready for the next part, don't forget them ears, y'all. Hear me out. Once you get that all cut and traced and everything else, get the next thing that's important. Next thing that's important is your hot glue, baby. Yes, that was an old lunchbox. And then it was turned into my paint box. Now, it's my hot glue box. Yep, there's a reason why it used to be. Yes, I am obsessed with hot glue. Get over it, y'all. My little one, my big one, and multicolors. But we're not going to use multicolors. We're just going to get that little one out, that big one back, and let's get gluing, y'all. Alright, so you got that all done. Then what you're going to do is you're going to grab that black bottle you just made and glue your stuff on it. That's right, you made a bottle back. Recycled, durable, but wait, we're not done yet. What we're going to do, which I'll probably do off screen because it's very dangerous and very, very flinchy for people that are watching. We're going to give them some eyeballs. Yep, we're going to give them some eyeballs. And then after that, we got another goodie at the dollar store. Glow sticks. So basically, this cute, derpy little guy, yes, I consider him very derpy, is going to have glowing eyes, ready for the spooky festivities. But like anybody else, you can't just have one bat in your belfry. You mean 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6, or future ones coming up. That's right, y'all. We're gonna have a bat party.